Hi, so now we will do a chapter of searching an array. Okay, NumPy uh, searching array. Okay, some indentation problem is there. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, so now let's come to the point. Look, you can search an array for a certain value and you can return the indexes that get a match. For searching an array, actually we use where method, where. Okay, this method we will use for searching an array. Let me show you an example. NumPy as np. Okay, and then let me create a variable named Sharad np dot array. Let me create a 1d 1 2 3 4 5 or 4 4 or something, anything you want, you can put the value, right? So just suppose for finding something, let me create a variable. What you will do np dot where method, where. Okay, and from where you want to find in Sharad, and you will use the operator equal to operator for finding something. Okay, like I want to find the value of 4 in Sharad. We have 3 fours, right? I want to find a 4, this value in Sharad. So what the statement will be, NumPy, I am ordering NumPy to find via where clause in Sharad the element number 4. Okay, and I want to print that variable in which I denoted all these things. So if I'll print this, you can see index number 3, 5 and 6 I am getting the output. 4 is right now, the first 4 is in index number 3. Okay, the second 4 is index number 5 and the third 4 is index number 6. That's what it is written here. Okay, with the data type of integer 64 bytes. Understood? And the same thing, let me copy this first. This whole command, because we will use the same thing again and again and I am lazy. Let me create another. We will find index where, let's say, values are odd or even, even. Okay, odd and even, you know this odd and even, right? So let's do with the same example. We have 1 2 3 4 5 here, let's say 6, the 7 and one more 8. Okay, let me copy this again. We will use in the another example also. So x np where Sharad, right? So here what we will do, just put some logic over here. I told you even number, so I can use divide by 2, right? If the values of Sharad divided by 2 and the remainder will be 0, then it is a even number. This is the logic. Understood? If something is divided by, let's say an example, if 2 is divided by 2, then remainder will be 0. Understood? Remainder, it will be 0, means it is an even number. If 3 is divided by 2, remainder will be 1. It is an odd number. So the x will not take that number. If I'll print this, you can see index number 1 which is 2, index number 3 which is 4, 5 which is 6 and 8 which is 7 got printed. We got the even number. The same thing will happen for what? For odd. Let me show you for odd also. Find the index where values are odd. We will do with the same example. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. But here what we will do, we will use again the percent, and then if it will divided by 2, the same thing, and the remainder will be 1, then it will print the odd. Look, 0. In even it printed 1 3 5 7, in odd in index number 0 1 2, because 1 is odd, right? 3 is odd, so 3 is second number, index number 2. Pretty simple, right? So now let's move. Hope you understood this thing. Very simple, right? I wanted you to know one more thing. There is a method which is called search sorted method. SEARCH SORTED. This method, METHOD. It actually performs a binary search in the array, and it returns the index where the specified value would be inserted to maintain the search order. Okay, let me tell you what I am saying. Let's do the same thing. Sharad NP array, and let me give here, let me delete this. Just suppose here I am taking 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, we have 4 values in the Sharad. If I'll use np dot search sorted, and in which I want to search sort, in the variable name Sharad, and then I want to do like 7. Okay, what I am doing here, I am finding the index where the value 7 should be inserted. Okay, I want to find it. What is the index number? So if I print this, I am getting 1. Okay, it is a finding button of index number. This is 1, index number 1 is 7, I have given 7 here. If I'll give here 9, then index number would be 0, 1, 2 and 3. If I run this, I'll get 3. So if you want to replace something in any array, you can use this search sorted method. First you find the index number and then you can replace. Otherwise, without knowing the index number, if you replace, maybe it will show you the error, or you will not get the proper result what exactly you want. Okay, so in this, number 7 should be inserted on the index number 1. Let me do. Okay, understood? So this method basically start the search from left to right. Right? We started from left to right, indexing from left, where the first index is no longer than the next value. And what if we want to start the search from right to left? What you can do? Let me give another example. It is the method of by default. Let me write it. By default, it is left to right. Now we will search search from right to left. Okay, so what we will do here, we will take the same example we will take 9. Sharad, let's say 7, and here I'll use a search sorted method. Okay, but here I'll put an additional argument that I want to do the side which is from the right. So now the index representation will be changed. Now it is 2. Why it is 2? Because I search from right. So this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. Now from right, the 7 position is second indexing. Okay, and what if you want to search multiple values? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Searching multiple values. Let me paste the same thing. Just suppose here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there, right? So let me do something. 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now I want to search. I'll use the same method. X is equal to np dot search sorted. Okay, I'm writing because for you to do more practice. I want to search in where? I want to search in Sharad, right? Then I want to search more values. I want to search for, let's say, 2, 4, 6. Okay, means in indexing number same. If I'll run this, I got 1, 2, and 3. Look, in this value, this is an array, right? This is an array. I am getting in array format. So this array actually containing the 3 indexes where 2, 4, and 6 would be inserted. Understood? So that we could maintain the order. Look, first one is 1, 0 is 1. I asked about 2. So where we could use 2? We could use 2 after 1 because 3 is bigger than 2. So it will put automatically the concise index. That's the reason it told me first. For 2, you can put it in index number 1. Means in between this. For 4, you can put in index number 2, which is in between this. Right? And after inserting one by one, the index position will also get changed. I know this is pretty much complicated, but don't worry. You will see in the future lectures when you will do practice and practice and practice, and even we will do some live project in my upcoming chapters, and in upcoming courses we will also do the same thing. Okay, so hope you guys understood the concept of NumPy searching array. If you have any doubt, let me know via comment and try to watch the video again and again. Okay, you will get the confirmed information. Otherwise, just drop a comment. I'll give you answer as soon as possible. Okay, so see you in the next chapter. Bye bye.